All right. So welcome to 6.5 Part 1, Properties of Logs. You need to be on page 328 and copy down the core concept, properties of logarithms, for the product property, the quotient property, and the power property. And I'll do 1 through 4, and then we'll do some from the book. All right, so go ahead and copy it down. I'll pause. Okay, so for number 1, they're telling us to use those 3-digit numbers. What is it? Log base 6 of 5 over 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so they're giving us 3-digit numbers to use, so we're not going to use the exact values. We're just going to use the estimates in our calculator, and they tell us exactly what to use. We just need to figure out what rules are we going to do. Because they tell us that log base 6 of 5 is something, and log base 6 of 8 is something else. So this is division, so it becomes subtraction. So we're going to do log base 6 of 5 minus log base 6 of 8. All right, so get out your calculator, or try to do it in your head if you want to. But we're just going to do 0.898 minus 0.161. Oh, 1 point? Thank you. 1.161. Bad eyesight. All right?
Because 8 is larger than 6. So
Yeah, good point.
We get 6 to the 1 is 6.
Nice job. Excellent. So what do we get, kids?
Negative 0.263.
0.263? Negative 0.263. There you go. So just in your calculator, use those 3 decimal values. All right? You want to try number 2 while I do number 2? So we're really trying to think of what rule is embedded in these questions. Number 2 is log base 6 of 40. But I'm only allowed to talk about it in terms of 5s and 8s. So what is 40? It's 5 times what? 5 times 8. So we have 5 times 8, and multiplication is? Addition. Very good. So log base 6 of 5 plus log base 6 of 8, because one multiplication becomes 2 additions, and we just add them together. Two-point something, right? What'd you get?
2.059.
Thank you. Okay. Number 3, now it's getting even trickier.
No, but it's not.
Or not.
Well, 64 is 8 squared.
Very good. 64. We're only allowed to talk about 5s and 8s,
And then you.
but I see 8 squared.
And then you moved it to
Yep.
the front.
Exponent down in front. So the 2 goes in front. And the book already told me that log base 6 of 8 is 1.161. So my answer, this is my answer for number 2, my answer is going to be 2.322. Are you kidding me? Wow. I can't believe I did that in my head. Okay. All right, so try number 4.
Okay.
Again, we're only allowed to think in terms of 5s and 8s. Oh, well, think 125
5 cubed.
is 5 cubed. Very good. And the exponent goes down in front. So 3 times the log base 6 of 5 is 3 times, was it 0.898?
Yeah.
And I don't feel like doing that in my head. What is it? 2.694. Excellent. Good job. So we're just applying the rules. We have to think of breaking down all these numbers in terms of 5s and 8s. So why don't you try page 331, numbers 3, 5, and 7. 3, 5, and 7. I hate it. Sorry about that. You are doing page 331, numbers 3, 5, and 7 at home. Okay? And I'll be back with part 2.